Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Two Phones for Free, back again with another informative video. Now, this video is going to be tips and tricks. I guess you could say this is a hack or whatever like that for those that don't have, cable internet or satellite or whatever like that. But you want to get some cable TV, some free TV. This is another way to get free TV. And this is absolutely 100% legal. I even talked to some of the people that work for this company. I talk to them every day, as a matter of fact, because I work around them. So, we communicate. But Spectrum TV, this is how you get Spectrum TV free on your mobile devices. And the cool thing is you can cast from your tablet, from your phone, what have you. I'm not sure about your computer, but definitely if you got a smart TV or, a dongle or Fire Stick or Chrome stick, whatever, Roku stick, this will work too. So I'm going to go step by step. I'm going to show you the screenshots. I'm not going to open and close any apps. I don't want to get I don't want YouTube to remove this video because this is a very informative video. But if you know a family or friend that has Spectrum Internet bundled with the Spectrum TV service, this will 100% work with you. I guarantee it. I talked about this on Telegram. I talked about this with other people. I even showed some of the Spectrum people that it worked. So this works, and they didn't say it was illegal. So if you know somebody in your household or your family friend, ask them for access to the internet. Say, hey, can I get on the Spectrum TV or can I get on Spectrum Internet so I can download the Spectrum TV app so we can watch some free cable? You know what I'm saying? This is another way to cut the cord, help your family and friends, and your friends and family should help you. If that's what you want to do, if that's what they got, take advantage of it while you can. So, and we are taking advantage of it here at the house and anywhere I go when I'm out chilling with my daughter. So you find a Spectrum Internet Wi-Fi access. All right. This is what you're seeing on screen. You find the Spectrum Internet Wi-Fi access, My Spectrum Wi-Fi 10, 20, 30, 40, whatever it is. You log into it. Okay. Make sure you put the password in, sign in, boom. You got Spectrum Internet, right? Next thing you want to do, you want to go to your rightful app store, okay, on your mobile device, whether it's your tablet or your phone. You want to go to the Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. You want to look for this specific application. It's called Spectrum TV, okay, just like that. Spectrum TV is by Charter and Spectrum, okay? You want to find this, you want to download it, install it onto your phone or tablet, or do it both. Install it on your phone and tablet. Open the app, and then it should load up a loading page saying log in. And then if they do have Spectrum TV already, it's going to automatically log you in to the account. Okay, after that, you're going to get this. Okay, this is the home screen. Like I said, I'm not going to show no video or nothing like that. I don't want this YouTube video to get shut down because this is very informative. All right, so you get that, and you're going to see these different home screens. You're going to see the main one with the live TV, continue watching, what have you. Okay. Now, this is the part where I was talking about casting. So if you don't want to watch, the TV on your phone or tablet, if you got a smart TV, like I said, Roku, Chromecast, Google TV, Fire Stick TV, Fire TV, this will work. So all you have to do is go to the top right-hand corner. I should have put an arrow. I think on the other slide, I put a top right-hand arrow. You click on that and you find Select TV. All right. Select TV and boom. You'll start watching free cable. There you go. There you go. Yeah, that's right. I did put it up there. You'll start watching free cable. So yeah, and yep, that's it. I thought I had another screenshot about like the on-demand stuff like that, but we could talk about that later in another video. But yeah, so this is legal. This is 100% legal way to get you Spectrum TV for free. Okay, all you guys got to do is talk to a relative, Get the sign in information, log in from your phone or tablet, download the Spectrum TV app, open that app, and boom, start watching live TV, watch free on demand movies, everything free for you. You good to go. And the cool thing about this is you don't have to stay on their internet access just to watch it. You could be at home, you could be at Walmart, you could be at dinner. You know what I'm saying? So at the park, if you got unlimited data, and you can stream. And it's going to 100% work because I'm using it. And I'm telling you guys step by step. And like I said, I will have a written review about this. And like I said, no videos showing like the shows working and whatever like that. You have to test this out yourself, but it's working for me. And so, yeah, let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think this is an interesting method? Are you going to try it this weekend? You know, the NBA playoffs, you got baseball. How many of you all got, subscriptions you paying for, but it's not worth your money? So now it's time to figure out, how you can get by. So here we go. I'm helping y'all cut the cord for free. All right, y'all let me know y'all thoughts in the comment section below.